Must be a wedding on here at the local church here near where I'm fishing. The church bells are chiming for around about 20 minutes. It's either a wedding or something like that. It's a Saturday afternoon, so I'm guessing that someone will be getting married. Beautiful here on the banks of the river that we came to yesterday to do a recce, and today just doing a little bit of fishing, getting back into it, getting used to it. Trotting bread on the float, just had a wind up. Walking just a little bit further upriver, casting out and letting the float drift down here. It's not all about catching fish, but it may be worth a move. I've put a little bit of bread in, not much, and letting it float down. I've actually seen fish coming up for the bread, so there is fish in the area. The fish apparently don't grow to that large in here. If you catch a chub around £3, you do well. And for me, a fish is a fish. So the run that I'm doing is, you see the willow tree out there, zoom out there. Some reeds there, just letting my float go down. Just yeah, from here, letting the float go down, and it's ending up coming through here and coming round to the bend. The footbridge is at the bend, so just putting a little bit of bread in round about where my finger is, and then letting it go through. And there was little fish topping, whether they were feeding or not. Where the willow is there, the things were just raining down a little bit, and I think they're just fry, whether they're chub fry or trout. See the ripples right in the centre of the river. I'll just go through the gear that I'm using. I'm using a Ninja rod and a Ninja reel, Daiwa. I like Daiwa. Just a little float rod, led down here in the grass, and just using a normal waggler float and just trotting it down. Tiny little fish topping out there, which is a good sign for the river. The church bells are back chiming again. Whether they're practicing or whether there is a wedding on, I don't know. The dog that just comes down every day has just gone for a swim in the river. It was swimming in the river yesterday, just a little Jack Russell. Comes down every day. So it's from Dave at Something About Being Out. Thank you very much for watching, and when I come back I'll do a review of the day in the car. do a review of the day. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next live. Bye bye.